Showing my boy my little spot.
I'm going to woods today. What path do you think we're going in?
I'll show you. Keep going straight. Watch where you're going.
Keep going straight that way?
Yep. We're going to turn to the left here in a minute.
Does that have snakes in it?
It probably does.
Well, this one is sweet.
Oh. Don't run away. Stop. Oh. Hey. Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
Look, let mommy go first.
In the water?
What? No, we're not going in the water. See where I'm stepping? Step carefully. Careful. Now sit down. This is mommy's rock.
You guys don't want one is my rock.
What?
I'm showing you. That rock right there.
That one?
Yeah.
Somebody left their trash. You like it?
But this is a very good rock. This is a good rock.
Nah.
This is a good rock. No waterfalls and that.
Way over there?
Yeah.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye.